Need help installing WhatsApp on your iPhone? It's super simple. I'll show you how in this quick guide. No more waiting around. Let's dive in. But first, make sure you have a stable internet connection and then follow these easy steps. Open up the App Store. After that, tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now find WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you're installing for the very first time with your current Apple ID, then tap on the Get button. Now tap Install. Then it will ask you to enter your Apple ID password. Enter your Apple ID password and then tap Sign In. It will start installing automatically. If you're installing the app a second time, then tap on the little cloud icon to install it. This time, App Store will not ask for your Apple ID password. It will start installing directly. After the installation, tap Open. Sign up your account with your phone number. That's it. This is how you can easily install WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.